Hello, my dear students, and welcome to the third session of the story, The Black Aeroplane. So, आज का जो ये लास्ट सेशन है ब्लैक एरोप्लेन चैप्टर का, इसमें हमने क्या करना है, वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चंस एंड उसी के साथ मैम इज गोइंग टू गिव यू सम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस फॉर प्रैक्टिस एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरलाइन द इम्पोर्टेंट एक्सट्रैक्ट्स फ्रॉम द स्टोरी. ऑलराइट, तो सबसे पहले चलते हैं क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट. सो वी आर ऑन पेज नंबर 440. ऑलराइट, ओके. So the first question is, I will take the risk. What is the risk? Why does the narrator take it? So the risk was to travel through the storm. And why does the narrator take it? Because he was too excited to meet his family for the holidays for Christmas. Second question is, describe the narrator's experience as he flew the airplane into the storm. इसके लिए आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू कम टू पेज नंबर 37 एंड लुक एट द लास्ट पैराग्राफ. Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. It was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. The aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. I looked at the compass. I could not believe that it was turning round and round. It was dead. It would not work. And the other instruments were suddenly dead too. I tried the radio. तो ये जो एक्सट्रैक्ट है, आपको इसकी समरी लिखनी है. अब समरी में आप क्या क्या पॉइंट्स लिखोगे? that everything was suddenly black in the storm. The pilot could not see anything. Second, you will write how there was so much of turbulence in his airplane, and of course you will also write about the failure of the instruments of the aeroplane. Okay. Then third question, why does the narrator say, I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota? Old Dakota is referring to his aeroplane. So why is he not sorry to walk away from his plane? Again, due to the excitement to meet his family, and because of course the narrator, the pilot, had made in time to meet his family for Christmas. Fourth, what made the woman in the control center look at the narrator strangely? Why did she look at the narrator strangely? Because the narrator asked the lady to make him speak to the other pilot who was in the clouds, who was in the storm with him. But the lady, as she could see on the radar, that there was only the narrator's plane in the clouds. Okay. Fifth question, who do you think helped the narrator to reach safely? Discuss this answer yourselves and give reasons to your answer. So इसमें जब हमने चैप्टर एक्सप्लेनेशन करी थी और कैरेक्टर स्केच करे थे, आई टोल्ड यू देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेकुलेशन. सो जो भी आप आंसर देते हो, इफ़ यू से दैट येस देयर वाज अनदर पायलट, तो उसका आपको एक लॉजिकल रीजनिंग देना पड़ेगा. अब इसमें लॉजिकल रीजनिंग आप क्या दे सकते हो कि एक जो पायलट होगा, ट्रेन पायलट होगा, उसी को तो पता होगा कि रनवे तक कैसे पहुंचना है, उसी को तो वो टेक्निकलिटीज़ पता होंगी. अगर आप देते हो दैट इट वाज सुपर नेचुरल, इट वाज जस्ट a kind of illusion or a hallucination that the narrator was going through, तो उसके लिए भी आपको एक लॉजिकल रीजनिंग देनी पड़ेगी. ऑफ कोर्स लॉजिकल रीजनिंग आप इसमें चैप्टर में से दे सकते हो दैट व्हेन द नरेटर ही वेंट टू द स्टेशन, कंट्रोल स्टेशन, आस्किंग द लेडी कि मुझे उस पायलट से बात कराओ who was up with me in the storm. So the lady looked at him strangely because on the radar only one plane could be seen, which as assumed or as inferred, it was the narrator's plane only. Okay, so ये दो आंसर्स को आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में लिख सकते हो. अब आते हैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर. Okay, I'm sure all of you can see the screen. Okay, so the first chapter is describe the pilot's rescue journey from the storm. तो इसके लिए I want all of you to come to page number 38. Alright, so यहाँ से जो पैराग्राफ शुरू होता है, it says, then in the black clouds quite near me, I saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings, but I could see it flying next to me through the storm. यहाँ से लेकर जब आप आते हो ऑन पेज नंबर 39, The second paragraph. Suddenly I came out of the clouds and saw two long straight lines of lights in front of me. It was the runway at an airport. I was safe. And the sky was empty, there was nothing there, the black aeroplane was gone, I could not see it anywhere. ये सारा जो एक एपिसोड है इसको आपने समराइज करना है अपनी लैंग्वेज में, बट मेक श्योर जो भी फैक्ट्स आप कोट करते हो दे आर एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. Third, how did the pilot feel flying his aeroplane back to England? So, of course, the pilot was very excited. He was really looking forward to meet his family for the big English breakfast and, of course, to enjoy Christmas with his family. Now, let us come to the long answer type questions. What can be the topics that can be asked in the long answer type questions? First is, of course, taking risk. Second, facing the adversity. हमने values में भी समझा था ना, to have faith in the face of adversity. Being helped by the unknown and of course a real life experience. ओके तो ये हैं कुछ टॉपिक्स जिनके ऊपर आपको रियल लाइफ लॉन्ग आंसर भी पूछा जा सकता है और मे बी अ शॉर्ट आंसर कैन ऑल्सो बी आस्क्ड. Now I want all of you to come to page number 37 so that we can start underlining the text. Okay. So the very first paragraph, the moon was coming up in the east behind me. यहाँ से लेकर the last line, I was dreaming of my holiday and looking forward to being with my family. I looked at my watch, 1:30 in the morning. ये बता रहा है नरेटर की excitement to meet his family. इसके बाद आप आते हो the third paragraph which says, I checked the map and the compass, switched over to my second and last fuel tank and turned the Dakota 12 degrees west towards England. I will be in time for breakfast, I thought, a good big English breakfast. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. Describing the smooth journey of the pilot. उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स जो हमने आंसर 2 में अंडरलाइन करा ना, इनसाइड द क्लाउड्स एवरीथिंग वाज सडनली ब्लैक, तो ये जो है टर्निंग पॉइंट इन द स्टोरी. ओके देन उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स यू आई होप आपने वैसे अंडरलाइन भी किया होगा. देयर इन द ब्लैक क्लाउड्स नियर मी आई सॉ अनदर प्लेन. यहाँ से लेकर आई कुड नॉट सी इट एनीवेयर, पेज नंबर 39 पे. Okay, describing how the pilot was able to, how the narrator was able to come out of the storm. And of course, the last paragraph, the last stanza, the last passage of this particular story. So who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in any tanks? Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या पता चल रहा है हमें? The mystery of the story has been given in the concluding lines of the story. ठीक है, सिंपल चैप्टर बट अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. अब हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सेशन में जहाँ पर हम एक पोयम पढ़ेंगे. टिल देन stay blessed. Do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna and be grateful. Thank you.